Hi everyone, my name is Makan. So today we are going to learn how to do the SPSS. So it's a very simple task to do the SPSS. So actually the SPSS main window will be looking like this. So this is your window where you will see your data and do your analysis. So the output window will be separate one and you will get like this. So coming to the SPSS, so first I said it will be looking like a data view at first. So when you need to enter a data, you can just click the variable view and you can enter any data of you need. So for example, I'm typing age. So age will be written. So once age is typed, so it will ask for what type of data is that. So I can, so as you know, age is a numerical one. I can use the numerical one here. So here we have a label, so I will talk about that later. So values is also is another thing that can be given to categorical variables also. So I will say about that. So let's begin with the categorical variables. Let's say gender. So we have gender. So in gender we have male and female. So here what kind of type is that gender is? So gender is as usually string. So you can give a string type there, and here it is nominal. Yeah, gender is nominal. So age is a continuous data type and hence it will be a scale measure. So for scale measure it is continuous. If it is continuous or discrete type, you can use the scale as the measure. If it is categorical, you can use the nominal and ordinal, and ordinal is used whenever the categorical variables are given in order. So gender, there is no order, so hence it is nominal, and age is in scale. So coming back, so we have age and gender. So let's say I'm just randomly giving some ages. So okay, so gender, I have male, I have female, and let's take male. So here like this you can give the variables. So either you can just click on data view to see your variables, or you can just click on this bar and here itself you can view your data. So usually, but when we do some analysis on the SPSS, we can't give the string variables, we should give the coded one. So if it is a cross tab variable, I mean checking for cross tab, you can give as a string type. So here it is a string type. So but whenever it is a, you are doing a t-test or an ANOVA test or whatever the test is, we have to give in coded. So for coding it will be in 1 2 3. So it is a discrete type, so it will be a numerical one, and here automatically if it is numerical our string variable will be lost. So you have to code. So if I'm saying, so here the advantage of values comes. So in values you can give I'm, let's say for male I'm giving it as 1, so and female I'm giving it as 2. So what does that mean is that for what all values for 1 is there in the gender, it means male, and for what all values 2 is there in gender, it means female. So here for values we give those categories in that. So in label it's actually mean whenever you have a long type, or like in gender, let's say age, male and female, male and female. So here there is space and all, and there is a same hyphen which cannot be given in the name column. So all those extensions can be given the label column. So gender, I can say gender, male and female. So it is the label, and whenever the output comes, the output will be given in this label only. So for that we are using the label format. So measure, as I told, it is nominal. So align is left or right align. So decimals usually come for categories variables. So age, as you can see it is in decimal place. So if you don't want the decimal, you can give 0. So width is actually relate to this how much words you need. Type, I said it can be numerical or whatever it is. So if you want to include a date, you can use date also. So in date, here we have a type of date, okay, and you can choose which format you need and click OK. and you can give the date. Let's say today's date is 12/12/2020, so it will be given 12th December 2020. So it is given as the date, so which can be given. So as I said, we have given the labels, one for female, sorry, one for male and two for female, so we have to give those values. So 1 2 2, so these are the values. So if I need to check what that value means, you can just click here a button, its name as value labels, so automatically those labels will be given, so male and female, so those will be given there. So this is a quick introduction to SPSS, how to do a data, I mean how to write a quick intro into the SPSS. So for any doubt, you can always comment below and ask for how a more intro can be given in the SPSS. So actually you can also upload a data from the SPSS, or you can import a data from the SPSS. For that, you can just click file and import data. So import data, there is Excel. So in the Excel you can give whatever it is. So here this is an Excel file, so I will import it. So in importing, it will ask which sheet should be imported, and you can choose it according to your data, where your data lies. So if your data lies in first sheet, you can give that according to which, and then click OK. Those data will be imported, and there is no need of doing everything once again. And please remember that whenever you're doing the categorical variables in the SPSS, you have to always code it, and all those coded will be given in the values column. So in this column you have to give those coding. So thank you very much for listening and for your precious time. So any queries, you can always comment below.